Okay guys, welcome to the docks of Malaysia. Beautiful day here today. Beautiful. Lots of little boats out. It's Saturday morning. Sorry, Saturday afternoon. Some nice waves for these guys. You might want to sit down there, dude. Lots of action. Barges over there. Sat down now. Lots of little boats. I don't know if they're fishing or what they're doing. Standing up for some reason. There's the coast of Singapore. Couple of boats. Little shack in the woods. That guy's wearing a hard hat. Nice, huh? It's such a beautiful day. I might be able to get a good look at what's over there. Another load of sand coming in. There's a tanker coming in right there. This one's tied up. Oh, he's got a box of crab. This little swimming crab. Probably a 5-gallon bucket full. Okay, I figured it out. Why they're all standing up in these little boats. They're looking for crab. The little swimming crab. These guys spotted something. Got one. There's really not much going on there today. This vessel right here is the Sempora Kencana 900. I did a video on her a while ago. Right behind it is a jackup oil rig. I did a video on that thing before. There's another one down there. I did a video on it. I think that's the one, the new one from Singapore. Can't remember the name. Hard to say. Airplane flying over there. I don't think you're going to see it. It just came out of Singapore. Singapore Airport. The Changi Airport is down that way, and a lot of flights take off towards this area. When I'm going home, I fly right over here. Okay, one more thing to show you before I call it a day. There's some big old trees there, and by the look of how little they put on each truck, really heavy. See that trailer? Not much on there. I don't know what kind of wood this is. There's no shortage of it here. I better get out of here before I get run over. Okay, guys. Well, that's it.